this is Nikita. I am from CSM department. Today my topic is default and static methods in interfaces. Introduction to interfaces. Interfaces are extended in Java for defining a common that clauses and can implement it. They allow multiple classes to that share a common set of methods without enforcing a specific implementation. Understanding the evolution of interfaces is critically for modern Java programming language. Next step. What are default methods? Default methods are methods defining as interfaces that had a body. They allow developers to add a new functionality to interfaces without breaking existing implementation. Default methods. Mm, Default methods were produced in Java and to functions code inclusion to in interfaces. Next, purposes of default methods. Default methods enable to the addition of new methods to interfaces while multiply to have backward compatibility. They allow interfaces to provide common behavior that can be must by implementing classes. That their future helps to reducing um, boilerplate code and promotes a cleaner design. Next step, syntax of default methods. A default methods as defined using the keyword default behind method declaration. The method can have any success modifier, but it is generally public. The implementation can included by valid Java code, just like regular methods. This is syntax of default methods. Example of default methods: consider a interfaces animals with a default methods uh, some make sound. Implementing classes the dog and the cat use these default methods or acceptable it. The allow dog and cat above the common behavior while ending specific implementers. These are example of default methods. Next, what are specific static methods? Static methods in interfaces are defined with the keyword of static and can be called on the interfaces itself. These methods cannot be overridden to implemented classes, providing clear structure for ability function. Static methods were also introduced in Java to enhance the functionality of interfaces. Purposes of static methods. Static methods services utility or helper methods realized to interfaces functionality. This can provide common processing and factory methods that and the object creations. Next, static method help the organizing code and can be accessed without understanding on interfaces. This is the purpose of static methods. Next one, syntax of static method. Syntax of static method defined using the static keyword before the method declaration. Like default methods, they can also have any access modifier, but we typically public. The method implementation can be any wild Java code. Similarly, to static methods in classes. Examples of static methods and interfaces. Multiple operations can have a static method mm, added that takes to a integers. This method can be using multiple operations and multiple operations are without needing to implement the interfaces. This approach provides a clean any-to encapsulation mathematically function within the interfaces. Conclusion. use default and static methods in interfaces enhance code reusability and maintainability. They enable to develop to envelop interfaces without compromising existing mm, code bases. Understanding these features is essential for um, leveraging the full of power of Java interface in modern development. Thank you for everyone.